In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify scam job posts on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. We've all been there, scrolling through job postings, hoping to find that perfect opportunity. But amidst the genuine offers, there are also a fair share of scams lurking in the shadows. It's crucial to know how to spot these fraudulent posts before wasting your time or putting your personal information at risk. So, let's dive right in. First, start by examining the job title and description. Legitimate job postings typically have clear and specific titles. If you come across a post that seems vague or overly general, that's a red flag. Be cautious of titles that sound too good to be true or claim to offer ridiculously high salaries for minimal work. Those are often scams. Next, take a good look at the company name. A quick internet search can reveal a lot. Check if the company has an official website. If they don't, or if the website looks unprofessional, that's a huge warning sign. Genuine companies often have a dedicated homepage with more information about them, their mission, values, and importantly, a list of current job openings. Another thing to watch for is email communication. When you apply for a job or reach out to a company, make sure that you're communicating through the company's official email address. If you receive an email from a generic account like Gmail or Yahoo, that's a cause for concern. Legitimate companies usually use their own domain for communications. Additionally, pay close attention to the nature of the job application process. Scammers often skip the usual screening process. If you're being asked to jump straight into a job with no interview, or if you're being asked for payment up front, that's a major red flag. Authentic companies typically want to meet potential employees and discuss qualifications before making a decision. Let's also talk about the responsibilities and requirements listed in the job post. If the listing includes unrealistic responsibilities or demands, it's time to be cautious. For instance, if a job requires you to transfer money or handle financial transactions immediately, that should raise a red flag. And then there are the obvious grammar and spelling mistakes. While everyone can make a mistake, consistent errors throughout a posting can indicate that it's a scam. Professional companies usually take the time to ensure their job listings are polished and free of such errors. Don't forget to check reviews about the company on platforms like Glassdoor or Trustpilot. These platforms can give you insights into former employees' experiences and whether they encountered scams or dishonest practices during their time there. Finally, trust your instincts. If something feels off about the job posting, it's better to err on the side of caution. Take a step back and assess the situation. It's entirely okay to walk away from a job opportunity if it doesn't sit right with you. So remember, looking for a job should be an exciting journey, not a stressful one. By following these tips, you'll arm yourself with the knowledge needed to spot scams on Indeed and ensure that your job search leads you to real opportunities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you found this video helpful, please